Hello everybody, got another Octember failure. Don't know where this clock came from or how old it is, but it first of the month you put it on 1 and then it makes its way across the ramp here. It's gear driven and looks like it stopped working on Octember 21, 22, right in there. Hopefully it's just the battery. Of course, it's made in China. And there's the gear that drives the clock across the little ramp deal. That battery's out. Looks like we got a little corrosion here. We'll do a little deoxit. And there it goes. So that was an easy one. And then I can see, pull the knob out and then I can set it. It's kind of difficult to set. It is 8:15 and it is not working. Don't know about that. All right, all set, all working. It is now October 29th. The mystery clock needed a little attention. It is Quasarts, by the way. Thank you for watching.